Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find oversold stocks using Finviz. This powerful tool helps investors identify potential buying opportunities. We'll walk through the screening process step by step, focusing on key technical indicators. Understanding these signals can help you make more informed trading decisions. It's a straightforward approach to uncover stocks that might be poised for a rebound. Let's dive in and get started right away. First, open Finviz and click on the Screener tab. This is where we'll begin our search. Next, ensure you select All for the exchange to include a wide range of stocks. Then, under the descriptive filters, you can start to refine your criteria. For example, you might want to look at stocks with a market capitalization above $300 million. This initial setup is crucial for a targeted search.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support means a lot. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's perfect for playing music or getting quick updates while you're analyzing stocks. Check the description below for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's apply the technical filters. The most important is setting the RSI, 14 to oversold 30. This identifies stocks that have been heavily sold. You might also want to add an average volume filter, perhaps above 500,000 shares, to ensure liquidity. Additionally, consider setting performance over 1 month to be negative, indicating recent downward pressure. These filters help pinpoint true oversold conditions. Once your filters are applied, Finviz will present a list of stocks. Carefully review these results, paying close attention to the charts. Look for signs of potential reversal patterns, like a double bottom or strong support levels. This visual analysis is key to confirming oversold conditions. Remember, the screener provides candidates. Further fundamental research is always recommended before making any investment decisions. Take your time here.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.